Good morning, children. Now, word problems, Amma. First one, the population of two small states is 3,34,567 and 4,23,678. Find the total population of the two states. First, write down the given information for first state population. How much, Amma? First state population is first state population. How much? 3,34,567. Now second state population 4,23,678. Now adding these two, you get the total population of the two states. Here asking what? Total population. Okay, that's why you are doing addition. Now 7 plus 8. Count it, children. 7 plus 8. 7 of 2, 8. 7 of 2, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now 7 plus 8 is the 15. 1 down. Now 1 plus 6 is the 7. 7 plus 7, children. Now count it and tell me. All of you count it and tell me. 1 plus 6 is the 7. 7 plus 7 is the 14. Near 14, 4 is a keep down. 1 is a carry over. Now 1 plus 6 is, 1 plus 5 is the 6. You get 6. Now 6 plus 6 you get 12. Now again 1 plus 4 is the 5. 4 plus 3 is the 8. Now next 3 plus 2 is the 5. Now next 3 plus 7 is 3 plus 4 is the 7. Total how much, Amma? 7,58,245. Now therefore the total, write down last, the total population, of the two states how much, Amma? 7,58,245. 7,58,245. Now please copy, children. Now one more problem. Should I repeat? Now children, please keep in your mind, first the given problem, you read first. You read that given problem first of all. Given problem you will read. After, what you understand? Sorry. What is the given info? What is the given? ఏమి ఇచ్చారు, ఏమి ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. వాట్ ఈస్ ద గివెన్ అండ్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫైండ్ అవుట్. యూ కెన్ ఫస్ట్ you find out that. Okay, first of all you read in your first given word problem, you read the problem and what is the given, what you are find out and what you are doing, addition or subtraction or multiplication, division. You can identify first that. Okay, now first read that problem, mama. An old man distributed his property among his three sons in the following manner. First son get 3,54,340 and second son get 4,45,670 and third son get 5,67,765. Find the total money he distributed among his sons. What is this? One old man having three sons amma. ఒక ఓల్డ్ మ్యాన్ కి ముగ్గురు సన్స్ ఉన్నారు. సో కొడుకులు ఉన్నారు. ఆ ముగ్గురి కొడుకులకి తన దగ్గర ఉన్న ప్రాపర్టీ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూట్ చేసేసారు. ఎంతో కొంత తన దగ్గర ప్రాపర్టీ ఉంది. సో ఒక్కొక్క సన్కి, ఫస్ట్ సన్కి కొంచెం, సెకండ్ సన్కి ఇంకొంచెం, థర్డ్ సన్కి ఇంకొంచెం ఎక్కువ, ఒక్కొక్కరికి 3 మెంబర్స్కి డిస్ట్రిబ్యూట్ చేసేసారు. మనీ తన దగ్గర ఉన్న టోటల్ మనీ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూట్ చేశారు. సో వాట్ యు ఆర్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ దట్ ఓల్డ్ మ్యాన్ హౌ మచ్ హ్యావింగ్ మనీ. సో యు గెట్ అ ఓల్డ్ మ్యాన్ మనీ. సో ఓల్డ్ మ్యాన్ దగ్గర ఉన్న మనీ ఎంతో ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలంటే వాట్ యు are doing amma, first of all the total sons ki how much distributed. So what you find out, you doing addition. Now write down first son get a 3,54,340. now second son 4,45,670. now third son 5,67,765. you're doing addition. So you get the total money he distributed among his sons. So tana enta distribute chesindo you can get. Okay, now 0 plus 0 is a 0. now 0 plus 5 is you get 5. now next 6 plus 4 is a 10 amma. 10 plus 7 you get 17. now 7 plus 3 is the 10. 10 plus 6 16. 16 plus 1 17. now 1 plus 4 is the 5. 5 plus 5 10. 10 plus 7 17. again 6 plus 4 is the 10. 10 plus 5 15 plus 1 16. now next 1 plus 3 is the 4. 4 plus 4 8. 8 plus 5 13. so therefore the total money how much amma? 13 lakhs. the total money 13,67,775. got it? please copy it amma. Next I will give homework amma. please copy it first. First a given problem you read and you can understand. What is you understand? Or what is the given and what is your find out and what do you done? You do addition or subtraction and another one. Okay? You get easily answer. Now write down homework amma. homework problem. You will do this problem and post it in your grain market. Now, what is our problem, Amma? This is your homework problem. In a grain market, 1,12,960 bags of paddy, 1,20,340 bags of wheat, and 90,780 bags of maize were received. Find the total quantity of bags received in the grain market. First, like this, Amma, you write individual how many paddy bags, how many wheat bags, and how many maize bags. You will do addition that all. So you get total quantity of bags. Okay. Now write it, children. Still any doubt? Ask in our group, Amma. Okay, children. Now thank you.